Hello everyone and welcome to Fitness Daily Track, the web application that helps you accurately track your calories, your macronutrients and your workouts in an easy to use interface. Not only helps you track all this, but it also gives you the guidance and the daily needed nutrient amounts for your particular body and your goals. The recommendations on calorie intake is scientifically calculated based on Couch-McArdle BMR formula. You can read more about it here. For this application to be more accurate on its recommendations and to better track your progress, you will need a minimum two things. First, you will need a weight scale for daily readings. Second, you will need a body fat measurement device called the caliper. While there are a plethora of devices to measure body fat percentage, the easiest to use and quite accurate is this caliper from AccuMeasure, the one in the image right here. It is very cheap and you can find it on Amazon, for instance. The table that comes with this tool is integrated into the application, and it will give you your body fat percentage when providing your age, gender and your fold measurement in millimeters. All this is inserted in the database, and all you have to do is just provide your amount of millimeters measured. For instance, let's do a test. For a male, age 39, let's say, who measures with this caliper 10 millimeters, it shows you that his body fat percentage is 14.8%. Of course, once you have your account set up, the program knows your age and your gender, and you only have to provide a daily measurement. Based on this, we will calculate the number of calories, proteins, carbs and fat you need in order to reach your goal. The goals can be one of the following three: lose weight, maintain weight and gain weight. Please note as well that losing and gaining weight focuses on losing fat and gaining muscle, not overall weight, which we know it can be water and other things. Of course, it will happen that you can lose some muscle when you lose fat, and you can gain some fat when you build muscle, but this is just the way the body works, and this application aims in minimizing these effects when giving you recommendations. If you don't currently have a caliper, don't worry, you can still track your daily entries using some guessed values. To help you with that, you can have a look at this page. More on how to use this in a later tutorial. FitnessDailyTrack.com is also very useful in tracking your workouts. We have a solid database of workout exercises which can be accessed here. You can use any of this to create your own workout programs. To find out how to perform an exercise, simply come here and search in this box right here. Let's say you're searching for ab crunch machine. You found it and you click on it right here. Once you find it and you open it, you can watch the videos and attach photos and read the instructions. Of course, if you have questions, you can always use the comment section below to ask the community. Tracking calories with FitnessDailyTrack.com is easy because it has available the entire food database from the USDA. USDA is the United States Department of Agriculture, if you didn't know. This database has a lot of foods, very detailed about calories, macro and micronutrients. If you're not from United States and you cannot find your foods, this is not an issue. All you have to do is combine primary foods such as meats, legumes, vegetables, eggs, dairy products and so on, which are basically the same everywhere on the planet, and you can create your own special foods and save them to the personal food database. As you can see, here are entries by users of this application, which are shared publicly. You can use them to enter in your daily tracking. As well, if you buy a product and it has a nutrition facts label, you can manually enter all these details in this same personal food database. It's very easy. As soon as you're logged in, you're gonna see a button right here, and you can enter it. Let's actually test it out. Yes, we have to go through verifying, make sure you're not a robot. We don't track robots' activities here. Alright, so as I was saying, on the nutrition personal food database, if you have a product that has a nutrition facts label, you can read that and add it into this database by clicking on this button. And you can manually enter all this information. There are a lot of fields, but you only need to enter the main ones to effectively track your progress, like calories, fat, protein, carbs, and all this fiber, sugar. Of course, if the product has a lot of other details, you can enter it here. More on this on a future tutorial about foods, where we go in depth on how to do that. Well, this was the intro to the fitnessdailytrack.com application. Please watch the next videos to help you get started. If you have any questions, please contact me using the site's contact page. Thank you and have a wonderful day.